Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to insert a scatter chart on your canvas sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a scatter chart on your canvas sheets on your computer, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, just going to select the entire data. Just need to create as a scatter chart. After selecting the entire data, you have this option called chart. Click here. So here you can't find the scatter chart, then just click on the view all charts. After clicking on the view all chart, just scroll down, you can find option called scatter and dot chart. So after clicking here, you have this option called scatter point, bubble point, vertical dot plot and plot. So just go into the scatter plot. So after selecting the scatter plot, you have this option to change. For an example, here you can just change the size here. Then you can just change the X value, which value you just needed to have a look and view here. And here you also change the size and also the country, colors and labels, everything can be customized. Okay. Then here in customization, you can just add more legends and also the axis block and shows and x-axis and y-axis, everything can be customized. And also if you just need to change the color of this, just select on the top and just change to color. So here I just go with a blue color, and this thing can be changed to the red color. So this is how we just change the customize the scatter chart and insert the scatter chart on your canvas sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing up from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.